Hey, what's up, y'all? If you're new to my channel, y'all, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you've been rocking with me for a while. What up? You feel me? Hey, today, y'all, I got a dance fitness tutorial to a routine that I've been getting a whole lot of comments about. Like, Simone, man, please drop the dance tutorial. And I'm like, I got you. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little minute. I got you. You know what I'm saying? These full videos, they take a little time, but I got you. You know what I'm saying? So I delivered today. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all go ahead and get into the dance tutorial. I'll catch y'all later. Deuce.
It's real dancing, y'all. We're gonna nail it though. Returners, if you know it, come go with me. First day count, clap, drop, right front up, slide, slide, and march. Remember, 8 count for everything, okay? You gotta clap, drop, right front up. You're gonna slide that body to the left and slide that body to the right. Then march it out. Right foot, you're gonna do those knee raises. So, step knee, and march. One more time. Knees up, let's go. Step knee, and march. The only difference is that you're gonna take it around. So you step knee, take it around. Face to the front and march. Let's try that again. Turn to the right. Turn that body to the right. And march. Say it loud. Let's go.
TLC.
To the left.
TLC.
Let's rock it to the left. Cha-cha and rock. March it out. Let's try it again. Let's make sure everybody got it. All right. You ready? 3. Say it loud, y'all. Let's go.
TLC.
To the left.
TLC.
Let's rock it.
Whoa.
And rock it.
Whoa.
March it out. Very good. 2 sets of double squat. Down, up, down, up. Squat up. Squat up. Feet in and turn. Squat up. Squat up. Then we're going to take that right leg out. Cross. Turn. Pop. Roll. Twist. Roll. Twist. And down. Then squat. Quarter up. Out. Cross. Turn to the front. Roll. Twist. Roll. Twist. Out to the left. Here we go. Left side. Right side. We're going to take the 3 and check it with a 9. Destiny.
Ow.
Destiny.
Ow.
Rock it, turn. 7, cross that right. Cross, out, down, thigh knee.
Yeah.
Okay? After that, you're going to take that right foot, step right, step left, turn around, right and left. And you should be facing the mirror once again. Make sure you're turning the body counterclockwise, okay? Let's try one more time as a crew. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Crossed, out, knee, that knee, right, left, Make sense?
Yeah.
So let's go to the left,
Hey.
to the right,
Hey. Shake.
check. Destiny,
Ow.
Destiny,
Ow.
rock it. Turn to the left, cross out, deep,
That me?
bring her around.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, here we go. Step, clap, left, step, clap, right, left, right, left, right. Try it one more time. Let's go. Step, clap, left, step, clap, right,
Bum.
Try it again. Step, clap, left.
Yeah. Beep.
Try it again. You're gonna point, lean back, point, lean back, point, lean back for 2. Okay? So start with the point first. Okay? So point, back, point, back, point, back. Right side, you're just leaning back first. Okay? All right? So you're gonna lean back, point, back, point, point. Okay? Nothing different than that. Did you slap your leg? Okay. All right, let's put it together. 7, let's go. Single, double.
Yeah.
Single, double.
Okay.
And grapevine to your right.
Bum.
And grapevine to your left.
Bum.
Now, after that, start, down, shoulder. Take it out. Pump. And you say ah. I don't hear your eye. Imagine. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the T-Smiles experience. We want you to move it and shake it like no other. I think they're ready. Say it loud. To the left. Let's rock it out. Take it to that right side. Double squat. Quarter up. Out sway. Roll twist for 2. To the left. Shake it out. Destiny. Let's rock it. Get that thigh meat. Bring it around. Transition. Go get them. Single, single, double. Get it, Serenity. Funky to the right and to the left. Star power extension. You gotta make that thing magical for me. Say what? Bring it around. Tap it around. Hammer time, let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. Very good, very good, very good.
Woo! Hey, that video was fire when I told you y'all we was in there. You but we was in there getting it, you feel me? Hey, if you want more content like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I told y'all I was gonna deliver. I was gonna deliver the dance tutorial. Y'all like, someone give me the dance tutorial. I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'm hearing y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure y'all go follow my man T Smiles. Like I said, I'm gonna put his tag name, his YouTube tag name in the description box. Go follow him. He's an amazing instructor. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all subscribe to both my YouTube channel and also T Smiles. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Also, drop a comment. What song you want me to do next? Who you want me to collab with next? If they're in my area, I can collab with them. If they're not, we'll see what we can do. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what song you want me to do. Whatever, y'all, let me know. Talk to me. You know what I'm saying? Let's be a community where we can talk to each other. I know I haven't posted a full video in a while, but I got you and I delivered today. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I'll catch y'all later. Do shit.